This is an animation of a multi-tool head parallel print. While one head is printing, the other is preheating and priming and starting the next colour. In this demo, tool changes that normally take between 12 and 30 seconds are down to less than 2 seconds. Now for the real thing, just the movements without any actual printing. Speed it up 10 times. Real time. Parallel tool change. Parallel priming. Parallel printing. Ten times speed again. Animation of a more complicated full Y dimension from both printheads, print. Ten times speed again. Real time. Real time, showing the two gantries jumping over each other. This was all done using standard Orca Slicer 4-colour prints, which, using some software developed with the help of Claude, multiple G-code streams have been merged into a single multi-axis stream. A lot of my previous demos were done using RepRap firmware's multiple motion system, but these ones are using a single motion system only. Next steps, once I get access to the latest Bondtech index toolheads, get some actual printing working.